Hey guys, Silly Sarah here. Just saying, I'm in the front of Garden City Hospital right now. And I've never seen this happen before, especially around here because this doesn't happen very often. But a helicopter just landed right in front of it. This is amazing. Like, there we go. My cousin is camera shy apparently.
No, I just don't like it.
But it's like literally right in front of us. And this is like the best thing ever. I mean, it's not good, but it's cool. Like,
I was in an ambulance when I broke my arm. Yeah.
guys, I don't know what to do. I didn't plan on this being the next vlog for today, or at all.
I actually
but
burned my hand when I was
this
in
is like,
first grade.
this deserves
I had to
this.
go to the hospital.
I chopped off the tip of my finger when I was in first grade.
I've like never seen like this besides on like TV shows and stuff, so this is cool for me.
You have? Oh, this happens like once every other week.
Yeah, this is normal for us.
Yeah. It is.
I mean, I
it's
think
just fun to get wind. Yeah.
exactly.
I got hit by a lot of crap. Yeah, he's covered by a whole bunch of stones. Little tiny stones.
Whatever works.
But this is cool.
Oh, someone had a heart attack.
Made for you, but
Someone's on life support.
I mean, I want to be in a helicopter, just not in like that way.
Is it a kid?
I want to be in a helicopter so badly
So
though.
do I. Like, I never even been like on a boat. I've never been on a plane, helicopter, none.
I've been on a boat once.
Guys, this is amazing. I don't even know how to explain it.
Dad's afraid of water.
It's not good because somebody's going to
When he was
hospital,
little,
but it's
he used to
amazing
drown, but
to
he's, like,
just see something like
He's not
this.
afraid of like pool water or something like that, but he's just afraid of open water.
Like you can hear there's people all around.
I got hit by stones.
From the wind.
Yeah. I also got hit by water.
There's just like people all around and it's crazy.
Someone's on life insurance.
Yeah, I came here a lot of times because of asthma, pretty much.
I've come here a lot of times too.
For special reasons.
But
I am not
have asthma.
special.
I have asthma.
I did what the doctor just pronounced that I don't have
the
anymore,
last
so.
time I was here, they gave me like a nebulizer, so I don't have to come.
If I could show you guys, I would, but the camera like doesn't flip. I don't think.
I think that will.
So like, I would show you guys. I tried to get it in
200, I
view.
believe I had to come here.
Like
I was
literally,
lucky, all the time.
there it
I got,
is.
like, a pill
There it is.
and now like liquid or
There
shots.
is the helicopter. That is so cool.
It's a fucking helicopter.
I never know.
I've never seen a helicopter up close.
I have.
Yeah.
You! I
The
haven't.
helicopter sign is right there.
Yeah. My mom and my dad was like, the helicopter can't be right there because it's like in the parking lot. Why is there a giant H?
Right. That is true.
Something else that starts with the H?
I mean, your last name.
Oh yeah, but yeah, that's perfectly for me.
This is amazing. Like, we literally ran out of the house and was chasing after the
Still
helicopter.
recording? Good
Yeah.
life.
I have a life. My life is making YouTube videos to make other people happy and laugh.
You gave up for about a month.
3 weeks because I like completely lost track of everything. But
Okay.
this is my new opportunity. So
Opportunity.
yes, Victoria, am I gonna have to slap you again? For the millionth time in our life, we're gonna be in a fight again. Like seriously.
I thought you were coming over in like 2 weeks. That's literally what you said.
No, that I was gonna wait, but whatever. You
I was
know
gonna
me.
wait, but I was like so bored
Okay.
because my life sucks.
Whatever.
I was tempted, but I'm like, nah.
Yeah.
I have better things to do.
This
I
is
have a
so
life.
cool, guys. Like, this is literally
That would be right back.
nothing like ever before. But anyways, I gotta let you guys go. I will see all you guys in the next one. See ya.